I finished cutting all of the lumber for the trusses. Here I have 12 lower cords, 24 upper cords, and then over here 24 king posts. So I still need to cut, let's see, 36 plus 12, 48 gussets out of 1/2 inch plywood. So that'll be the next step. That's some extra lumber I'll use for bracing or something for the trusses.
Actually, looked like you knew what you were doing there.
Almost. Me and YouTube, we know what we're doing. Alright, I'm gonna do it right here.
Alright, you ready for me to tap this in, son?
Okay. Alright.
That's it.
That look good? Feels good.
It came out just a little, but I think we're good.
Yeah, we'll hide that with the.
We want to
Yeah.
just, yeah.
Some of them are a little heavier to the wood density.
Sure. Now, let me get my ladder. You ready? Yep. Everything in one shot, one shoot.
What else? All right, let me mark it.
Okay.
All right.
I see now that that's the edge, and that's perfect. So I see how to know if it's good now or not.
All right.
Very proud of
Look
myself.
at that. That's gonna just
Mm-hmm.
perfect.
You know, I'm looking. Could be. And I remember Todd Summey's name. I
Yeah.
cannot put.
He was, this one we did good on.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Don't try to go to Louisville.
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 Yeah, really.
Louisville.
Louisville. My bear aren't walking under. We are getting paid by the hour, so we don't care how long it takes. Ooh, nice. Oh, I'm right perfect right there.
Okay.
So just kind of, you want to slide this either that way or this way till we get that other one up?
Yep.
It can't hit us in the head, so. Well, maybe I shouldn't be so bold, but find a way to do it. All right. Well, that's 90% of the. It's a good start. Good job. All right. So now we just want to, as best I can right now.
Yeah, with that one, I'm worried about. Hold on a second. Let me go do something.
Okay.
Wood clamp to put between this last truss so it doesn't tip over and take an arm off or something like
I'm sure you've heard that joke, right?
that.
Little duck walks into a bar and he says to the bartender, "You got any duck food?" And the bartender, after he gets shocked after he has a talking duck, says, "No, I'm sorry, I don't have any duck food." So the duck walks out of the bar. Made it where I can't hit it. Let me pull it out. So about 5 minutes later, he comes back, looks up, bartender right in the eye and says, "Hey, you got any duck food?" Bartender's thinking, well, it's a stupid duck. "No, I don't have any duck food." Duck walks back out. 5 minutes later, same thing. "You got any duck food?" The bartender's getting not happy at this point.
Yeah.
And he's like, "Look, I've told you, I don't know how many times, I do not have any duck food. So if you come back in here and ask me if I have any more duck food again, I'm gonna nail your little webbed feet to the floor." So the duck walks out pretty hurriedly. Then in about 10 minutes, he comes back and he says, "You got any nails?" The bartender said, "No." He said, "In that case, you got any duck food?" So the consistency and beauty of the work, the masterpiece.
That's right.